Alright, so here's the chicken slash duck pen we built. You can see, I don't know if you can see in there, the chickens. There they are walking around. Around the front here. Got two doors. One side's for the chickens, the other side is for the ducks here. See the ducks in here. And there's fencing on the top and then a roof also. Here's the side of the pen. And then there's nosy Bobby Sue. Bobby Sue, you gonna say hello to everybody? How you doing? Huh? This is the first goat we ever bought. And you can see the pen here. We just built the shelter, so now they have three. Here's one right here. There's one at the other end over there. And here's one, and Daisy's in there right now. And we got Jasmine and some of the goats eating over there. Here comes Nosy. Bobby Sue, what are you doing? Come here. Oh, you're down here. Look at you. What are you doing?